Hello, today we are doing some more SIUI Smartor and I will connect angle probe and calibrate it. So here is the plan, similar to what I have already done with other Flaw detectors. So we need a Flaw detector, cable, probe, gel, ruler, V1 block and dark block. Then what we do is take the probe, check the angle on the probe that is written, frequency, probe number, and save the probe. In SIUI Smartor we have two things to save, the probe and the dark curve or working settings. So these are two separate things with separate names. Then calibrate and check the X value, calibration real angle check, calibration PrbDly sensitivity check, save the settings, then recording the dark curve points and save TCG and save these settings in the machine. So that's the plan. So now let's choose the probe and connect it to the machine. For this video I will take the 60-degree probe. So we have here the name. 5 megahertz is the frequency. That's the size of the plate inside the probe, and the angle and the number. Here is the long number, so I'm most often take the 4 last letters to put in the system. So in the system you go to UT, then manage and storage, then we have the parameters here, and these are the settings of working. And then if you click enter, once again you have the recording here, then the image. So these are the parameters. Now let's go back with the home. Here is the probe part, enter, and here are the saved probes. So let's go right, and then if you don't have anything to copy, you should create a new one, yeah. But if you have something similar, I have here 5 megahertz, 10, 10 and 60 degrees. So I can see that at the bottom here are the probes. These are without the name. So that one could be it, but it's saved like without the number. So if you have like 1 or 2, yeah, and you're working with one, so it's good enough maybe. But if you have like some old ones, some new ones, and all of them have the same sizes, so I would use the number of the probe, because for transfer correction you need 2 probes at least, so you know which one to put on the cable to work. So okay, so if I have already the settings here, we can see that it's the value X is set, the probe delay for some of these, I don't know which one. So what I can do is go left, then what I do is set on new, go down, then go right on here and select which one I want to use to create a new probe. And then maybe I enter here or here. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, here. And here is the copy of this one. Okay, when I finish setting all of these things, I will click finish. So I go down I put the angle now 60. Value X, I have no idea what it is, so I'm putting it 0, probe delay 0. And then 5 megahertz, rectangular 1010. Okay, so I have put all of the things. That's a new probe, let's say. I don't know what is inside. It's not calibrated. And I go on finish, off, and enter. Save yes, no. So if I want to save this one, no, home, I click yes. Now I need to put the name in. So the max 16 characters, so I will put like, okay, let's try this way, RG, and now 5 megahertz, then 10, now 60 degrees. And then how much is left? We need 578R. 5, 7, 8, nothing left. Okay, let's try this way. Last, next. So last is number 1. I will go back here. Okay, now I need to delete this thing. Delete is this one. Okay, not this one. Go left. No. Left, last, the first one. Okay. I will go left and then put in here, and then I go back and put here a big R. So it can be my probe name in the machine. And then I go, okay, home. So here are the probes. Now I go right and I go down, and here is the new one. Okay. Now, even in the beginning it's my name, surname, but if I can save it for the settings. So now if I go right and rename it, it's selected. Yeah, I can make it like probe. So here will be a P, so they don't get, okay, and R, so it will be probe here, probe 5 and the number, and then okay, home here. So here is the probe 5 and 578R. This way you save this probe in the machine. So how to connect the probe and save it into the machine. Let's make it small videos like that, and then I go home, and let's finish with this screen. That's it for this video.